Hi guys! Let's try to solve this problem about fundamental counting principle. How many 3-digit even numbers can be formed if repetition is allowed? So, pwede nang mag-repeat yung number. Okay? So, we have 3-digit even numbers. Okay? We know that the numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, we have how many options? 10 options, diba? Pero, ang kailangan natin ma-form ay even numbers. So, dapat itong 3-digit natin ends with an even number. Eh, ano-ano ba yung mga even number natin? It should end with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay? Hindi siya pwedeng maging 3 dyan kasi magiging odd siya. Hindi rin pwedeng 1. Okay? So, ang options lang natin ay 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Ilan to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 lang siya dyan. Sorry, ayusin ko. Okay? For the second digit, ilan ang option natin? Dahil pwedeng mag-repeat, pwedeng maulit. Kunyari, ang napili ko dito ay 4. Pwede ko ulit mapili si 4 dito. So, ilan yung option ko? Lahat itong pwedeng maging number dito sa second digit. So, ilan yun? We have 10. Now, for the third digit, lahat pwede ulit. Ibig sabihin, kung napili ko na yung 4 dito, pwede ko mapili yung 4 dito, pwede ko ulit siyang mapili dito. So, ang option ko, 10. Pera kay 0. Why? Kasi kapag 0 ito, magiging 2-digit na lang siya. So, si 0, hindi natin siya pwedeng mapili as a first digit. So, yung 10 natin, mababawasan ng isa. So, ilan na lang ang option natin? 9. Then, we multiply. 9 times 10 is, correct, 90 times 5, we have 450. So, there are 450 3-digit even numbers that you can form with repetition. Okay? So, this one is our answer. Now, you try. What if you're going to make a 5-digit odd numbers? Okay? How many 5-digit odd numbers can be formed if repetition is allowed? You try to solve for this, ha? And don't forget to follow for more math videos. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!